Are ready? Ready! Okay, start. Cindy hasn't met Rob for a long time. Oh, who has met Rob for a long time? Cindy. Oh, whom has Cindy met for a long time? Rob. Oh, hasn't Cindy met Rob for a long time? Yes. Has Cindy met Peter? No. Rob. Oh. Has Cindy met for 2 days? No. For a long time. How long has Cindy met Rob? For a long time. Cindy wants to know about his life. Oh, who wants to know about his life? Cindy. Oh, whom does she want to know about his life? Rob. Oh, what does she want to know about Rob's life? Oh, does she want to know about his life? Yes. Does she want to know about his wife? No, his life. Does he want to know his name high school? No. Ross says to Cindy that he likes the gun at his office. Oh, who says to Cindy that he likes the gun at his office? Rob. Oh, who does Rob say to that he likes the gun at his office? Cindy. Does Rob say to that he likes the gun at his office? Cindy. Does Rob say to Cindy that his office that like to run at the office? Yes. Does Rob say Cindy that Rob say Cindy he likes to run at high school? No, at his office. He doesn't have the right to ask her name. Oh, who doesn't have the right to ask her name? Rob. Yes. Oh, what doesn't he have the right to ask the girl's name? Oh, doesn't he have the right to say I love you? No, he doesn't the right to ask the name. Cindy thinks Rob is silly. Oh, who thinks Rob is